All right, so try not to move around too much. Now, this was yesterday's lesson. Zidane, are you with us? Remind me, son, are you with us? Good. So, Zidane, look at this. This is last lesson, mode and range. I wrote down the list of numbers. I picked the most common and I wrote down mode equals 23. And then I wrote down range equals the biggest one, take away the smallest one. That's called showing you're working. You've got to show that. Is that all right, everyone? Don't just write down 23, 12. It's no good. You can't revise from 23 and 12. You can revise if you have the original question. If you write down mode is 23 and range equals that, take away that, whatever they happen to be in the question, and the answer. All right? So Zidane and anyone else, please don't make me have to email you again saying not submitted because you need to fix this. Is that all right? Fair? Zidane, is that fair? It's not fair. Zidane, are you with us? Because I can't see you. Can somebody get Zidane to talk? Because I don't know who I'm talking to at the moment. Zidane's here. So, can Zidane speak to me? Ah, is that you? Okay, Zidane. So the question was, do you understand why it's important to show you're working?
Yes.
Thank you. Here's today's lesson, everyone. It's just a short one on median. So the title is median. Don't write it, I'll video it and I'll just send it up to you. You know what the task is. You log into Show My Homework and you will find question 3, question 5, question 6, question 7. But here's a demo. First of all, you write down the original numbers as you see them. Then you put them in the correct order. And the median is the middle value in the list of numbers. So here, this type of average being called the median, the average, or better still the median in this context, is 14. The middle guy is 14 years old. The youngest is 11, the oldest is 19, the range is 19 take away 11, which is 8 years as an age range, but we're not doing range, we're just picking the middle one. Is everyone okay with question 3A, how I set it out and what it means? Yes or no? Thank you. All right. Now, I've picked one from question 5 because question 5 doesn't have a belly button. So when I do medians, I teach it as grab the belly button. And if you're year 7s last year, you hear me saying, just grab the belly button. See, 14 is the belly button. Why? It's right in the middle of the list. And your belly button is sort of in the middle of you. That's my sort of thinking. It's not right, but anyway, it's good. It works. Here's question 5. I write down the question first, Zidane, and anyone else. Then I arrange it in order. And then I say, oh my goodness, between 12 and 14, there is no median. But we know there is a number between 12 and 14. So you take the two middle numbers, add them up and halve it, because you're finding the average of two numbers. And in fact, the median is 13, even though it's not in the list, all right? Can you accept that the median is 13? Because it's true. In a way, you've got two belly buttons and you're grabbing the bit of belly button in between the two belly buttons. Is that all right? So think about belly buttons. So there you go. So the median, where you have an even set of numbers, will be the average or the mean average of the two in the middle. So 12 and 14, 26, divide by 2, the median is 13, and that's completely correct. So don't be put off by that. So let me reiterate. For a standard list of numbers which are odd, you'll always find a simple median to pull out. I'll add you, you're my answer. For a list of even numbers, you have to do a little extra calculation, which will be an extra mark, I think, for that step, as opposed to just arranging and just grabbing the middle one. Is there any questions about that, anyone? So I'm guessing you're good with that, are you? Okay, guys. So I'm going to reduce this down and save changes. Yes, please. That's how I work. You bet we're going to save changes. And can you begin to put your cameras on while this is saving, please? Good, 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 good. Still on 75 out of 160 pages. Hi, guys. It will get there in the end. It's saying it's not responding. Maybe it's got too much to think about. Oh, she's gone. Good, good, good. Now I'm going to stop sharing so I can see you all as a grid. I'd love to see you all as a grid, really. So where are you all? Can you switch on your camera so I'll say goodbye to you and just reiterate what's required? Oh, good, Mr. Norris. Good, good, good. Anyone else? Krish has disappeared. That's not good. Oh, Margarita. She appeared today. That's nice. Krish, kid, where are you? He's disappeared. Stop video. No, I want him to carry on. Oh, where is he? Yep. Krish. There he is. Oh, and Hudson, lovely. Well, I've seen you all, that's beautiful. Just to reiterate then, I think we're doing question 3, which is, there's 8 little bits to it, but it doesn't matter. And I've got Zidane as well. Ah, good, good, good. Man, stop moving around. Everyone keeps jumping out. Zidane, come back, son. Come back. You're forgiven. Just come back. Where's the man gone? Zidane, come talk to us. There he is. Hi, you alright? Cool. Alright, so we're doing question 3, question 5, question 6, question 7. Hey, you just have to log into your Show My Homework and we're cool. You do it, and because it's a short, tiny little lesson, if you can send it back real quick, it won't crash into our afternoon lesson on me. Get just a short amount, yeah? I think Sophie started already, but that's good. Alright, so goodbye, y'all. 2 o'clock it is. 2 o'clock it is. Bye, my guys.